Hello everyone. A lot of people drop the scissors off the scale. It hasn't stopped for a single day. Annoying to death. The method is important. Recipes are key. This diet is delicious. Very, very healthy. The ingredients are also very ordinary. Cut the broccoli into small pieces and put them in the water. A spoonful of edible alkali. Broccoli has a lot of dust and eggs on it. Broccoli eggs can be easily removed. Soak the broccoli for 15 minutes first. Put the tomatoes in water. Put in a spoonful of table salt. Clean the dust and impurities on the small tomatoes. Clean the small tomatoes, pick them up and control the dry water. Clean lettuce. Put the cucumber purple cabbage on a plate and set aside. Friends who don't like to eat raw. Purple cabbage is rich in fiber and vitamins. Peel the cut purple cabbage. Next, slice the cucumber. It feels very full. Put the cut cucumber slices on a plate for later use. Next, cut the tomatoes in half. It's easy to eat. Put the cut tomatoes in a plate for later use. At this time, the broccoli has been soaked for 15 minutes. Remember to rinse the broccoli twice more. Clean it up. Boil water in a pot. Blanch the broccoli for 1 minute. No need to oil. Fry out the broccoli in a minute and set aside. Put the eggs in a glass bowl of water. Add an appropriate amount of table salt. E. coli clean. Put the eggs in cold water. Cover and bring to a boil over high heat. Turn off the fire in a minute. Looking at the watch. Open the lid. Soak the eggs in a bowl of cold water for 2 minutes. Dear friends, how do you usually cook eggs? In fact, eggs that have been boiled for so long will be very old. Turn off the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. It doesn't feel hard to swallow. Next, tear the lettuce into small pieces and put it on a plate. Add purple cabbage. Put a layer of broccoli. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the cucumber. Put another sugar. Ecological cucumber. Tomato. Put the cut sweet egg on top. Next, prepare a bottle of apple cider vinegar. Meat high value. This green salad contains protein. Vitamins are eaten at night instead of dinner.